Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a header in Google Sheets. So I'm just going to type in like the titles, Thursday and Friday. So I'm just going to make it a little bit neater too. Okay. Oops. Alright, so if I scroll down, as you can see, the sort of title and topic disappears. So if you want to keep this like on the very top, so when you scroll down it's still going to be there, select this like line and drag it down here. And as you can see, it creates this kind of line here. You can, you can drag it all the way to like the bottom here. If you want these like 4 rows to stay up there, you can do that. It's going to leave it as is, and as you can see, you can scroll to the very bottom of the page and still have this on display. So that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!